welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have another Something Else Sunday, and for today's video I have a Banggood packaging video. I have all these packages which are all from Banggood. Let's make a cute thumbnail. Yeah, I kind of like destroyed the packaging because I tried to remove my dresses and like it just wasn't coming off. So we kind of have a sneak peek. There's something red in there, you know, just what we like. Oh, there's a sheep. Can you see it? You probably can't, because to be honest I can't even see if my face is in focus because I have no idea how to do this. I'm also semi-blind and I haven't got my glasses on because my glasses make me look real bad, and I'm not going to put them on for the first time that I'm on camera, so there's that. Also, I spilled barbecue sauce on my top. So if you see a funny mark here, I'm not sure if you can see it or not. I spilled barbecue sauce on it. I tried to wash it off, but it wasn't happening, and I don't know. I didn't have any more clean clothes because I haven't done my washing, so I'm going to keep it all real. So anyway, I'm going to get into these. I have 3 all from Banggood. 1 came by express shipping. That took about 4 days to get from, I assume, Japan, Hong Kong, something like that, to here. I think that's where the headquarters are, I can't be sure, but it took 4 days to get to the UK, and then one of them came, whatever one it was like, yeah, this one here was the one that came by standard shipping, and that took about 2 weeks to arrive. So I think the average shipping is about 2 weeks, but then with express shipping, if you want to pay for that, then it can come much quicker. So let's get opening these. By the way, I'm super excited to do this. I don't know if you can see, also like I have my Ebby fry like all the way over here. I'm like stood right in the middle of my room. I'm actually stood up because this place is an absolute mess. But don't tell my mom. Hi mom, if you're watching. I'm sure she is. I'm like my mom's biggest fan. No, my mom's my biggest fan. She's probably watching. Although last time she said my video was boring because I kept rambling on, which is what I'm doing now. Scissors on the floor because I came prepared. Well, I didn't. Okay, so first up in here, well, that was an anticlimax. We've got another bag. Oh, I see squishies. Oh, so squishy. Okay, so first, oh, that's so super cute. First up, we have this lemon mermaid mini bear. Can you see that? You probably can't, because my camera is rubbish at focusing on things. This is so super cute. Now I'm fully aware this probably is not focusing, but don't you worry. I'm going to do close-ups of these all in a moment and then insert them, so you'll get one right here of me squishing it. Here's the packaging that I was talking about. It's really cute, really like sea vibes. It does say up here the lemon mermaid eugh bear, which, you know, is it real, is it not, we do not know. I think it might be, because on the back we have creamy candy crossed with Popular Boxes Hong Kong, and then the Puni Maro sign, and down here we have the packaging designed by Helicopter. I feel like I'm most fangirling over that because who doesn't love Helicopter? Love her. Wish she could be my friend. This guy just smells like lemons. It does smell like quite a chemical lemon, kind of like a lemon kind of cleaner, but it smells like lemons and it's so cute. I just cannot get over how adorable this is. Now it does say Creamy Candy 2017 on the back here. Defects wise, we have an air bubble here. I'm just being really picky. We have a few like little creases on the nose area, but who cares about that? Definitely not me. So let's give this a squish. I should have just been squishing this the whole way through. I'm so sorry. I hate it when people do that. Oh, just squishes. Let's give it a big one. I cannot get over this. What is going on? These squishes are so good. So soft. And it just smells like lemon. So next up we have, this little bag is full of surprises. Oh my goodness! Look at this! Oh my goodness! This is the cutest thing. Let me open this right now. I tell you what, these are the cutest things I've ever seen. Oh my goodness! This is the cutest thing! And it's rainbow! What? You're not going to be able to see this. Again, I'll insert a clip. I put it in upside down. That's my fault. I just put it back in the packaging to kind of show you what the packaging looks like, but it actually looks like that. Really, really pretty. I love all these flowers and stuff. The back just has the usual. And here it is. This is got to be my favourite squishy that I've ever seen. Just look at that. Honestly, how adorable is that? There's like a little defect here. There's kind of like a little indent in his face. Can you see? But honestly, I don't mind. This is the cutest thing, and this is staying on my desk forever. Look at that slow rise in this. What more do you want? Oh my goodness. Literally, I'm so excited about this one because the colours are so cute. Its face is so cute. It's not like any other thing that I've ever seen on anything, and I love it. Look at that face. Next up, in the second secret bag inside of it, we have two more. Here's a little Molang packaging, and here it is. It did also come with one of these like little clip things, which I assume is just gonna poke through that little kind of ring there. But I absolutely love this. I love Molang so much, and the fact that this is pink makes it even cuter. I'm totally aware that this isn't a real one, but that's absolutely fine by me. Oh my goodness. These squishies are just insane. I cannot get over them. I'm so grateful to have all of these in my life. Squeeze this little hand. So next we have, let's have a look. The donut. Here's the donut. This is the packaging. It just says squishy, slow rebound. Nothing more on the back apart from a few warning bits. Came in a little clear bag inside of that packaging. Yep, and taken out of the bag, it just looks like this. Slow rising to the max. That's what we like to see. Let's give it lots of, give it a big one. Ah, who doesn't love that? I mean, come on, that's great. By the way, next video, I'm gonna totally put my hair up because this is annoying me. But yeah, I love that. Any defects? Not really. Just got some more sprinkles and stuff on this side. Just, oh, so cute. On to this next bag. Yep, I've taken all my address and stuff. And we have another bag. I love these bags within bags. It's like the most amazing thing. It's like the surprise just keeps on giving. Oh my goodness. Is this what I think it is? It's a mermaid pusheen. Now, I love pusheen. Everyone knows it. I do some pusheen DIYs on my channel. I'm super excited for this guy. Gonna do a dance. This is not cute. I'm gonna stop and give you a close-up. So here's the packaging for this one. It just says good night all over it with woo or wow or something. Woo, wow. I'm not sure. This one, now I did actually see this in Hannah's video, you know, Purple Banana 25. Obviously, absolutely love her. Think she's great. One of my fave YouTubers, I'm not gonna lie. I just think this is so adorable. It's so slow rising as well. Just look at that finger indentation. Look at it. Obviously, I love pusheen. I did actually make a mermaid pusheen squishy. So yeah, if you want to go back through my videos to find out how I made that, this one, way better. I don't even think they did a mermaid pusheen when I made that one. It was like 2 years ago or something. But I'm just gonna keep like, clawing it. But just look at that. Absolutely amazing. Love Pushy. Can you see in there? Can you see what that is? We have an alpaca. This is officially the first time I'm touching one of these alpacas. You'd think that I'd have more of these by now, but I don't. Look at it. Look at that face. Let's open this up. It's the alpaca. This is all the squishy packaging. Now it does say Vlampo at the top and it does say Vlampo on the back. I'm a little bit unsure if it is real because obviously it's come from Banggood, so I'm a bit, you know, on edge. Whether it's a replica or not, I'm really not bothered, as this is so cute. It's out of its packaging. I just think it's absolutely adorable. The slow risiness of this is super good. The smell is super good, which makes me think that maybe possibly it could be a real one. It does have the Vlampo kind of like imprint on the bottom. I'm not sure if you can see. Probably not, because you know we have all sorts of focusing problems here. I think it's just me. I think I'm just suck at using cameras. But here's this little face. I just think it's so cute. It just squishes so nicely. And I love all this texture. By the way, I have pen all over my hands. I do DIYs. We can't always have neat hands. Oh. Love it. Second bag. Done. And now we have one more bag, which is the one with the hole in, which we know there's a little sheep in. So let's just rip it from there. I'm seeing a lot of faces here. So first up, as I said, the little sheep. Obviously, this is a little fake pop-pop sheep. Is it called a pop-pop sheep? Pop-pop sheep. Pat-pat sheep. Pat-pat zoo pop-pop sheep. I swear to God, that's like the hardest thing to say. Pat-pat zoo pop-pop sheep. I think that's right. This is obviously a replica, but who cares? Yeah, so we have this little pink squishy. Once in the packaging. Just the plain clear packaging. And yeah, here he is out of the packaging. Super cute. I can't see any defects on it apart from like a few little joints here, but this squishy was so super cheap. And yeah, let's give this a squish. I just can't get over how slow rising these squishies are in this haul. Like, this is absolutely amazing. It beats my eBay one out of the water. But yeah, isn't this the cutest thing? It's also like the same colour as my top, which is super cute. Okay, so we have a few more. I think it's 3 more. Let's open this one first. What? It's a trout marshmallow. Kind of like a flump. Are flumps in other countries but the UK? Please let me know. I'd like to know. Here's the marshmallow. Like I said, I would do a close-up. It does have some defects, like on this side there are some air bubbles. Can you see, like here? The paint's kind of cracked here as well. But for a squishy that looks this cute, I don't think you can complain. The size of it is really nice. It's not as slow rising as some, but it's okay. I think the colours kind of look like toothpaste as well. Like if this was red, it would look like the Colgate toothpaste, which I just used on my teeth to clean them for you because I'm super nice like that. But yeah, super shook about this one because, no, just really like this one as the design is super cute. Next we have a strawberry. I take it this one here is a dupe, a cheaper version of the I Bloom strawberry. I think it's I Bloom. I'm getting to know my squishy terminology now. But again, it just came in a little kind of sandwich bag. Open this up, chuck that away because we do not need that. This, what? Really dirty. So here's the strawberry. This one here is, oh, this one here is defective. Like it does have paint kind of outside the lines on the red and stuff like that. But to be honest, the size of it, and how squishy and slow rising this is, you cannot complain one bit. Maybe we'll do a decor like kind of video on this one, kind of giving it a new paint job, something like that. That has been suggested with my eBay one, and honestly, so slow rising. I just love it. And it was super cheap. Okay, this next one is the last one in all the packages. I'm so sorry or so excited for you because then you don't get to see my face much more. But we have a fry squishy, a little fries. This is quite apt actually because the fun fact about me, I used to work at McDonald's. Yep, flipping my burgers, getting your burgers with my cap on. That was me in McDonald's. And now we're here, opening squishies on camera with my fries. Oh, this is so cute. Let's open this guy. So here's the fries in its little packaging. Here it is out. It's super cute. Again, really slow rising. Not slow rising as some of them, but oh, so super cheap, so super cute. Reminds me of McDonald's fries. Who doesn't love those? Even as an ex-worker, I love them. So yeah, that's all that was in the bags, and that's all it for my Banggood squishy haul, packaging, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. What I will do is leave all the links in the description below, so if you like any of them, please give them a click. It will give, oh, it's not like I'll get paid for it, anything like that at all. It just shows Banggood that you're coming from my page, which might mean that we get to do some squishy videos, like loads more on my channel, which obviously I'll be super, super grateful for. Yeah, so it won't cost you anything to click on them. If you like them, obviously I'll leave all the links down below so you can purchase them if you want to. I don't make any money off that at all. It's not like affiliated or anything like that, or, you know, confusing YouTube stuff, nothing like that. What else have I got to say? I don't really know. This is even worse than my usual videos. Like, I'm just standing here talking to myself, with myself. Yeah, so I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed recently without even seeing my face. I hope I don't lose lots of subscribers now shaming my face, because I know I'm quite annoying. Basically, I just want to say a huge thank you. Like, honestly, I didn't even imagine getting 10,000, and we just went over 40,000. That's 4 times what I ever thought was imaginable to get. I mean, I don't know. Sorry if the lighting's changed. The postman just came, so I had to answer that. Basically, I was just saying thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sorry if I was super annoying. I don't know how to do these videos. I've never done one before, so, you know, hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you're not, I don't know if I told you, but less than like 10% of the people that actually watch my videos are actually subscribed, which is just crazy. And that could be crazy growth if even just like half of you just subscribe. So yeah, just consider it, as I do post videos every day. Tomorrow's video will just be a normal DIY. Don't worry, I won't have to see all my face again. Yeah, so hopefully this little outro bit hasn't changed too much, because I know the sun's just started coming out from a window, which isn't great. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like, and I'll see you in tomorrow's one. Bye! That was fun.